Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of exited account. On the application of Brave, we go to settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above we will search about Brave and we click. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. Here you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Brave. Then if you find updating this blue sign, you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time, and thank you for your watching.